Hi everybody, this is Mike Petroselli. I'm coming to you live from San Diego today with my lovely photographer and videographer, Elle Abbott. Also someone who works with me in the exciting world of Kangen water. And the reason that we're coming to you today is because over the years since I've been with the company, there has been so many other groups of distributors and other companies and other private label machines and things like that that are on the internet out there that are trying to give us a bad name. And I will tell you right now, a lot of the things that they're doing are targeting towards Kangen water and enagic distributors. There's mudslinging campaigns out there, there's downright misleading and a lot of lying going on, and I'm just giving you the straight truth right now. So what I want to cover today is the main reason why Kangen water and enagic machines are far superior to anything out there, and we can prove that. The first thing is Kangen water works. That's the main thing. Years ago when Kangen water first came to the United States, we gave it away for free. And that's still what we do. We give it away all over the world for no charge. Now at the water store, I've had almost 3,500 people come through my doors and nothing has changed. It's always been free. Torrance, California, San Diego, New York, all over the United States, Kangen water comes to you for free. We know that the water works, and that's a big key in the success of our product. Now other companies have been riding on our coattails. What I mean by that is they want you to try Kangen water, then they want you to buy their machine off the internet. Now, we've never had anybody get arrested by the internet police because the internet police doesn't exist. You can say whatever you want on the internet, and it's absolutely unfair. Some of the information out there is really good and it's real important, but I'm here today to show you a couple of different things. There has been some big discussion out there about what we call electrolysis enhancer. The companies that don't use electrolysis enhancer, we feel that they're what you call a spin master. Spin masters are people out there on the internet with other companies that will take something really great with our company and they will spin it around and make it look really bad. So I want you to see this right here. This is called electrolysis enhancer. Okay, there's a close-up for you. Basically what this is salt water. This is a saline solution, and it even says on the back, it says what's in here. We don't hide anything. It says your ingredients here are water, sodium chloride, and sodium hypochlorite. It'll also say on here, do not drink. It'll say caution, not for drinking. But you wouldn't want to drink salt water anyway. But what's happening is out there on the internet is there's a company and there's one particular gentleman who is, and I use the term loosely, who's putting on some kind of suit with his kids on the countertop and making this look like it is something bad. Okay? They say that it's in a secret compartment and it's a chemical. Well, just so you know, water's a chemical. So is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride happens to be table salt. But what they're doing is they're making it look really bad. By the way, sodium chloride is in Visine and a lot of other things out there as well. So don't be fooled by that. To make this super powerful hypochlorous acid water, this is the only way to do it, is to use salt. This is absolutely a harmless solution here. It's basically just salt water. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about today is really what makes the water, and it's the plates. It's also really important that we talk about the size of the plates and the surface area, not just the construction of the materials, which we are by far superior as well, and we can prove that. We have a patented design with our plates. It's something that we have, what's the term? We have the rights to it. No one else can do what we do, and we are the best. We've created this. So I want you to see the type of plates that we actually use. This is a used enagic plate that is used in most of our models. It's used in the Junior 2, the DX2, all of the SD 501 models, including the Super 501, which will have 12 of these plates. But again, it's not going to be the amount of these plates that matter. It's going to be this surface area on both sides of this plate that is actually exposed to the water, because that's what creates the miracle. Other companies will have little tiny little plates like this, these flimsy little things right here. And if you take a look at this type of plate, these can be dangerous after a while. What happens with these plates is they get burnt. They don't have good methods for cleaning plates like this. These happen to come out of a machine that I actually dissected myself in Palm Desert from a woman who bought a machine from us after she told us that her machine was not working anymore. So it doesn't matter if you have 2, 3, 5, or 7, or 10, or there's a company out there saying they have 9 plates right now, and nobody's even verified that. But the surface area is what counts. It doesn't matter if you have 20 plates or 50 plates. If they're only this big, it's not going to make a difference. So these are much smaller than what we use in our machine. And as you can see from the looks of the outside of these things, they're dangerous. So keep that in mind when you're looking to purchase a machine. I don't believe that any of the other distributors out there in other companies have actually ever seen one of these plates. So competitors, take a good look, because this is what makes us in Japan a medical device right here. This is the reason why. And we have the certifications to prove it. So far, none of the other websites out there can back up any of their documentation or any of their awards with anything that is really, let's just say, solid, like what we have. One thing that we have, which is brand new, is that we are certified by the WQA. It's the Water Quality Association. And this is just one of many things that we are certified and recognized for. And already other companies are putting on their website the gold seal. It is not the certified certificate, it's just a gold seal that they put on there, which they want you to think they have the same certification that we do. So this is round 1 of what we're doing today, and we're going to come at you with a whole lot more great information, so it's going to be real easy for you to make decisions out there. Just keep in mind, Enagic is the world leader. Everyone is chasing us. We have the best surface area in the industry. We have 3 different methods of cleaning which no other company provides. That's why we last so long. That's why our company says we have a minimum 20-year life expectancy. We've been out in the field for that long. We can prove that. We have the track record. No one else does. No one else has the testimonials that we have. Why? Because Kangen water works. We're different, and we're the best. So keep in mind, this is going to be chapter 1, and we're going to come at you with a whole lot more information coming soon. And from San Diego, California, Mike Petroselli and L. Abbott, thanks for your time today. God bless.